morning, my dear brothers and sisters. Isa po sa mga pinakagusto nating mga Pilipino ang magsama-sama. May fiesta, may kumpulan ng tao para magsama-sama. Birthday, may handaan. Mayroong okasyon sa isang grupo, ayan, na magsasama-sama yan. May meeting sa simbahan, may meeting sa ganitong grupo. It is part of our culture to be together and to enjoy the company of one another. And when we are together, when we deepen relationships, we do not only strengthen connections and also ties. We also learn when we are together. Nakikinig tayo sa kwento ng iba, natututo tayo sa kanilang karanasan, at marahil yung iba sa atin sasabihin, ay, tama yung naging karanasan niya, tama siya sa kanyang sinabi. We wish to summarize our readings for today in the spirit and in the truth of togetherness, relationships, and connections. We've heard that today, the first ever council of the church, the Council of Jerusalem in the 15th chapter of the Acts of the Apostles, where the Jews and Gentiles gathered together to discuss some certain matters. And their togetherness was not only a way to clear out issues about salvation and circumcision. They were together to learn. They were together to listen to each other. Eventually, we will be hearing them. They were together to throw out and speak out their minds. Similarly, the Lord gave this beautiful image of the vine and the branches. Muli, koneksyon, pagkakaisa, pagsasama. Dahil nakadikit kay Jesus, kasama kay Jesus, may relasyon kay Jesus. Lalago, minsan kinakailangan linisin at ayusin para umayos at lumago muli. My dear brothers and sisters, Jesus keeps us in connection not only for connection's sake, but for us to learn. Konektado tayo, kaisa tayo, kasama tayo sa Diyos para mas matuto, para mas tumino, para mas lumago, para mas sumulong sa buhay na ito. And also in our life, we have connections, we have friends, we treat others as a head or our superior, not only for relations' sake, but for that connection, for that relation, to be a school of learning and a school of love. No connection, no relation may be a way for us not to learn and not to love. Every connection is a school of growth. And it is our desire to remain attached to our connection with the Lord. We wish as well to live with relations and connections. Biyaya po ang samahan, biyaya ang koneksyon at ang pagkakaisa. Hindi lang ito para samahan tayo. Lugar din po ito para matuto tayo at para umunlad tayo.